Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my current 5 favorite drugstore mascaras. I did one of these a few years ago. Honestly, probably at this point it's more than a few years ago, but you guys really liked the last one, so I wanted to do it again for you. I do want to kind of like live demo these so that you guys can see them in action as I speak about the reasons why I like them. So I'm not wearing other face makeup because I'm gonna have to keep removing these throughout the video, so I just felt like it'd just be easier. I've already got the eye makeup remover and some esthetician pads ready to go because we're just gonna be putting mascara on for this one. So before we get into it, guys, please subscribe to my channel just so you can stay updated whenever I upload my next video for you. And I would love it if you guys would come follow me on Instagram too, because I'm always on Instagram when I'm not here on my channel. So let's just get into this. So the first mascara I want to speak about is the Almay Liquid Lash Extenders Mascara. Now, the thing I really like about this mascara, I was gonna say the thing I really like about this brush. The thing I really like about this mascara is the brush. It's a larger wand, it's got those nice bristles, and they're quite thick, so they really coat a lot of product onto each lash. One thing I will say about this mascara though is that the bristles sometimes get a little bit too much product. You guys can kind of see it sitting on certain areas of the brush, like right there. So I always like to just kind of sweep the excess off. That way you get a little bit more control with how much product you actually apply. And honestly, the effect that I get from this mascara is really similar to a tubing mascara. So when I wash this one off, I can see all the little like fibers and they kind of look like tubes. This one might be a tubing mascara. I should look that up before I say that. So you just want to make sure that you always kind of, really brush the product throughout your lashes so you can avoid as much clumping as possible. This mascara honestly has the longest fibers of any mascara that I've tried. So you get a really great amount of length. And this will make your bottom lashes even longer too. So I actually don't like a lot of this mascara on the bottom lashes because I feel like it can kind of make them like borderline too spidery. This is Almay Liquid Lash Extenders. You guys can see you get a ton of wispy volume and a lot of length because like I was saying, there's a fiber under my eye right there. The fibers in this mascara are really long, so it really gives you a ton of length. You get a lot of volume, it's wispy. The lashes are kind of clustery and it gives you just the best length in my opinion. The only thing I will say is you probably won't like a ton on your under eyes just because it can kind of extend the lower lashes a little bit further than what I think is ideal, and it can kind of make the eye look a little bit bottom heavy, but I love layering it on the top lashes and I just really like the wispy, flirty effect that the mascara gives. Next mascara is Maybelline Lash Stiletto. This is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. I think the formula and the brush are really perfect in my opinion. The brush is this really nice slim bristled brush, and I like how the top kind of tapers off and gets a little bit thinner, so it's a little bit easier to maneuver on the outer corner and inner corner of the eye. The wiper on the product itself is also really good because I never feel like there's clumps of product sitting on the brush. And this gives you the most beautiful, elongated, clean length. You get a little bit of volume from this mascara, but it's really not all that volumizing. It just gives you a ton of length, which I really like because rather than having super voluminous lashes, I like length. But if I can get length and volume, then that's pretty ideal. But this one would be great for those of you who just want a ton of length like myself. So you guys can see you're not gonna get a ton of wispiness with this one. You get a really nice like full root, but then it really comes to like a clean taper on the tips of the lashes. And I think this looks so good on the lower lashes. So here's Maybelline Lash Stiletto. I really love the length you get from this mascara, and I like how it comes to that clean tapered edge right on the tips of the lashes. There's no, sometimes mascaras can kind of leave like balls of product on the edges. I really like how this one always has that nice clean finish, and I love it on the lower lashes. It just gives you the right amount of volume but tons and tons of length. So this is definitely probably my favorite mascara ever, and I love it so much. I wear it all the time. Okay, next mascara is the Revlon Volumizing Mascara. Now again, this one has a brush that I really like. but instead of having, you know, aggressive kind of like corners on the edges of the brush like the previous two have, this one has more of an hourglass rounded shape, which I really like. So you're not gonna get much length from this mascara, but you're gonna get a ton of soft volume. And what I mean by that is, you guys can see it's not really adding length to my lashes, it's just adding a lot of volume. And I think one of the problems for people with naturally shorter or straight lashes, especially if your lashes are shorter, volumizing mascaras can actually kind of make shorter lashes look stubby, and that's not what you want. You want enough volume to make your lashes stand out and kind of pack a punch, but you don't want so much volume that your lashes just look really like stout. I also really love it on the lower lashes because it just adds a lot of volume down there. But you guys can see this one really just gives a ton of volume, not much length. So if you're looking for length, this might not be your best bet, but if you're somebody who wants a ton of volume, I think Volumizing is perfect. So this is what Volumizing looks like on the lashes. All right, so the next mascara is from Rimmel. This is one of their newer ones. This is the Rimmel Scandalized Wow Wings. Now, this is the only mascara right now that I really like that has rubber bristles. So as you guys can see, it has rubber bristles. And it kind of has like a scoop shape to it. The bristles closer to the handle are a lot longer. So that's really cool because you can actually use it kind of as like a lash comb, and you can kind of make the lashes go out in more of a winged shape just because the brush makes it easier to do. And because of that comb-like brush, it gives you really great separation, and the lashes are a lot easier to kind of comb through. It gives your lashes more of an elongated, fanned out effect. I'm gonna also pop just a little bit on the lower lashes so you guys can see that as well. So this mascara is really great for more of a clean, fanned out effect, or those of you who tend to wear winged eyeliner a lot on a daily basis, then this one's great because it does kind of like, you know, just pull the lashes out ever so slightly and give you a little bit more of clean definition that just kind of fans the lashes outward. The last mascara has been a favorite for quite some time now. This is the Essence Get Big Lashes. This has a super huge fiber bristle brush, and it tapers off at the tip, so you do get a little bit more control when you're doing like the inner and outer corner lashes, or if you want to use it for the lower lashes as well. But this mascara does it all. You get volume, tons and tons of volume, tons and tons of length. You get wispy, clustery lashes, and it really can give you a full false lash effect if you just build it on top of itself. So I almost always wear this when I'm doing any type of dramatic eye look, or if I'm going out at night. I really love the effect of this mascara because it's so dramatic. So I'll do a couple coats so you guys can really see it, you know, build on top of itself. And this is Get Big Lashes. As you guys can see, tons of volume, tons of length, super, super wispy. So probably not for those of you who don't like more of the wispy, clumpy, clustery types of mascaras, but I really love it. I think it's perfect if you're wearing dramatic eye makeup. I just really, really love the effect of this mascara, and it's my favorite, like super dramatic, give you all the things, all the wow, super impactful mascara. I just think it does all the things. I'm really into it. So this is like my go-to when I want really long, thick looking lashes. All right guys, so that is it for this current favorite drugstore mascara video. If you guys have any questions regarding any of these mascaras or tips, tricks, any way that I can help you, feel free to hit me up in the comments down below. I will always do my best to get back to every single one of you and help you guys as much as I can. I'll have them listed and linked in the description box for you as well. I'm literally about to go take this off, slather my eyes in eye cream because I can feel that they're like a little bit upset from all the removal process, but I'm gonna go slather my eyes in eye cream and edit this video for you. So let me know if there's any other top 5 videos that you wanna see in the near future. I was thinking about doing an updated concealer one and then probably like a bronzer one. I don't know. Let me know what you wanna see top 5 wise and I'll get it up for you. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. If you didn't already, please subscribe and please come follow me on Instagram as well. Okay, bye guys.